Hi, my name is Kaius, and we are just going to go on an nature walk with my dogs, Pax and Obi. And there they go free, up closer. And that's all we're going to... Pax, Obi, no! They're just sticking in the compass. We're going to go on a nature walk. Here we go! Come on, Pax. Come on, you can do it. Down the road. It's just a camera. We're almost there. We're almost down the road. We're gonna be there. We're in a racing car. It's just a joke. We're not in a racing car. We're just gonna go on the walk. Oh, look at that beautiful tree. Come on. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. This is an awesome nature walk so far. Look at those beautiful trees. There's some apple trees out here somewhere. Look at that pretty golden valley. Let's go down there. Beautiful. I can't go. Perfect blue skies. This is perfect blue skies. I told you it was going to be beautiful. Back to it. Hello. Again. We got some neighbors down here. Really cranky. But isn't it beautiful? Ah. Bad bug. Sorry. Bug. Flew on me. Trying to kill me. Sorry. It's just that I'm taking a picture, well, a video in the noon, so it's like a ton of bugs around here. Sorry about that. It's like a ton of bugs everywhere. And I can't wait to write this in my friend's face. Like this. It's really funny. Here we go. Right down here. My mom is so cool. She's letting me go on a nature walk with the dogs. We are not going to get near that powder. Look out! They're throwing it out! Rocket launcher! Woo! Kaboom! Where did those stubborn midgets go? Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful blue sky. Hey, Daddy. Yeah. Daddy happy. Back, Toby, come. This is beautiful. Dogs. This is awesome. I love nature walks. Just gonna go up the road here. And look at those beautiful apple trees. yummy and delicious. I'm pretty sure the crab bubbles. Here we go again.